Important with the hose like this, following the bikes.
Yeah.
1.4
Oh, race control. One bike crash on the gravel.
Hold on. 1, 2.
3. There's a crash. There's a crash.
Go.
Bike on the gravel.
Go.
Oh!
Boy Scout of the
Ay, baliktad. Yung isa nasa harap.
Hindi pa protect niya.
Oh, sa harap. Walang tali.
Oh, yung ano, belt.
Belt.
Kasi yung belt wala.
Patay.
Ay, wala yung belt. Ayun, nasa ibang lahat.
Sure.
Palpak.
Balik.
Hiniwakan ni Salim.
Hindi under lang hawak ako.
First time eh. Kasi hindi pa nila alam may idea na sila sa second time. Tapos
Dapat nga ito, alam na dahil may idea na sila sa una eh.
tumulong yung rider.
Ano sila? Gusto nilang sumakay sa walis. Papunta Pilipinas.
Hawak niya ito, tapos pagtutulak sa likod. Ay, paano tataas? Ayan,
Yes!
Yes! Cool! Perfect!
Sa likod! Sa likod!
Ingatan yung paa. Baka maligid. Wait lang na. Strehan niya.
Yung strength sa likuran. Yan. Yung pumit nito, bike mo. Yan!
Wala. Hindi.
Good!
The first one was better.
Okay.
Okay. First thing, this side is a clutch. So if you want to move the bike, you must press it. Okay. The other side is the brake, the front brake. If you press this side, this wheel cannot turn and you are not. Second thing, for the strap, you must go behind the wheel. If you go in the wheel, this side or this side is the same. The wheel cannot move, cannot turn. So it will be very difficult to pick up the bike. It's important to pass the strap behind the wheel. And to make the balance, the two sides of the strap must be the same. The same? You mean same distance? If you want to do like that, no, it's not easy. So make it balanced. Yes, and then move. One ear. The third one, take the front of the bike to get the good direction, and in this case, you go up and you push. Okay. Another thing.
The same team, Frank will show us how to turn the bike. Same people, please. Okay, guys, listen to Frank, please.
Which side?
This side. No, you guys, Frank, tell them how to know the direction which they have to take it.
He will decide. So he will make the count 1, 2, 3, and he will say which side you will turn. Okay?
That's very good idea. Yes.
This is your choice.
Yes.
So you decide.
Si Salim, pagod na yun. Kanina pa yun.
Yes, very good.
1, 2, 3.
It's very good because okay?
Thank you very much, guys.
Jam. And then we have to carry the bike using this technique from there to the outside.
Yes.
Lift it up by the strap, the bike will go.
We will do one time by the focus.
I choose one more group.
Ako, mami, bubuhat ka na.
can go now.
Ay, ano na lang eh, mag-spacer eh. Makatartelis ulit lang. Ayaw yan na po sa mga.
Guys, stand by. Don't talk. Please. Close your phone, huh?
There's a bike on the grabber.
1, 2. One bike down, guys.
Nay, yung maliit, hindi kaya.
Eh kasi belt na naman, hawak na naman yung nasa likod. Ay, yung belt, yung belt. Sa likod din nilalagay yung belt. Ay, yun, bigay na idea.
Oh, bakit? Hindi, pwede yun.
Oy!
Pwede yung gulong sa ano. Hindi makaikot.
Hindi makaikot.
Sinabi niya.
Kasi nagbigay siya ng idea. Ayan, tuloy na yun. Ipangatlo tapos na sana eh.
Patak.
Sarap talaga, sarap. Sarap talaga yung belt.
Hindi, patras.
Atras, yung una ang babatakin, yung huli ang babatakin.
Patras. Sabog daw yung gulong eh.
Nangyayari kasi yan. Kitang-kita.
Ang baltak nasa una,
Yan ang mahirap.
yan ang mag-aabalas, matutumba yan.
Idea no, kaya pinag-
Bigat buhatin yan. Yung ang paglipat pag-ikot namin.
Parehong gulong.
Ingat din, Diyos ko, ingat sila. Ingat sila. Walang sanda. Sisali mo na kami.
Ako, babag. Ang hirap niya.
Dapat
nasa harap.
Hindi, kasi
dapat siya.
ang gulong na ito kunyari ang hindi umiikot.
Hindi nga dapat nasa harap yung ano.
Nasa
Yun ang nakaway ko.
Bakit na nila ginanon?
yung nahawak sa manibla.
Ingat! Diyos ko ba? Pinaka-atras ko naman.
Why? You fall down.
It's only in one side.
And the bike was not straight. You must always keep the front wheel and the bike straight. Okay?
Very difficult. Because this one is the one who is not
Exactly. You can put the strap out of the wheel. But with the back, you have no possibility. You must use the wheel. So the back wheel is not able to turn.
yeah.
And for sure it's more difficult, more heavy. So when you can use the front wheel, it's much more easy, much more better. But sometimes it may happen that it's not possible to use the front wheel. So in this case, you must remove by the back side.
Tama.
So now you know how to do, but you know that it will be more difficult. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Now, Annalyn.
Emma,
So now
finish.
you go to Annalyn.
Okay.
Okay. Video. Okay.
It's okay for me, but only if you send me by email.
Okay, send us your email and Facebook also.
Eman.
I am on Facebook.
You're
Or
on-
just to type, you type my name, and you will.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Maganda.
Ayun sa isa yun.
Are, camera, mas malinaw yan.
Saan ba to?
Yan pinakadulo lang. Stop mo yung video.